y'all, it's your girl Nikki the Glam Teacher, and I'm going to show you how I turn this basic nails into top tier salon quality $100 nails. 100 million. Okay, yeah. If you know that song, you know that song. Drop it in the comments. Let me know that you know. But I'm going to tell y'all from start to finish, I just took off my old set. All I did was soak my nails in here for 3 minutes with some warm soapy Dawn dish liquid for like 3 to 5 minutes. And then they just peel off with the stick that comes in the package. Now, the stick that I used came with a different package, but I'm putting on a new set. And inside you will have this little stick. So after you soak your nails, you'll use this stick to just peel it off and scrape off the extra glue. Very simple process. So after you do that, you take an alcohol wipe, which an alcohol prep pad comes in the new pack that you will have. Just clean your nails with the alcohol prep pad, or just get regular rubbing alcohol and a cotton ball. Clean your nails off, because if you have any residue or anything wet, your nails are not going to last. Now this says no glue. This is what I use, and I love them. They will last like 2 to 3 weeks. This says no glue needed it because it has a sticky tab on here. You guys, I'm going to show you the sticky tab as we go. But I want to time and show you all exactly. It takes 10 minutes or less to get a full set of nails, and these are literally $7.99. Local beauty supply store, Walmart, Amazon, Target, wherever you like to shop. If they got press-on nails, they should have Kiss. You want to get Kiss Impress nails right here. And this is the glue that I use. Kiss glue. And it is the Power Flex Max Glue. Okay? That is going to have your nails, your press-on, sticking on and staying on. I literally went on my vacation, my cruise to Cabo, Mexico, and then a few days later, I went on a 7-day trip to between Dubai and Turkey, and my nails lasted in and out of water. I'm just now taking them off, and it's like roughly 3 weeks in, and yeah, they were ready to come off. But I'm getting ready to take my son out. I'm also going to do an unboxing video because I want to wear my new bag, my new Gucci bag. And I'm also going to reveal my other 2 bags that I got. I didn't want to have y'all all in my business, but stay tuned for that video. Watch this video, then watch my next video. Please and thank you. Make sure to like, share, comment, drop down something about the video, what you like, what you don't like, some suggestions, and we'll get into it. And yeah, subscribe, because why y'all be watching and not subscribing? I don't like that. Go ahead and subscribe, please. Thank you. So here is the start. The clock says 5:08. So by 5, let's get it to 5:19, because I don't know if this is about to change or not. By 5:19, we need to be done and finished with our nails, okay? Here go the nails. Here go our glue. I already cleaned my nails. This is my fitness ring. I already cleaned my nails off with the glue. And this is a size 6. 6 typically is for my index finger. You just want to size it and make sure that it fits on the sides. I'm in a rush right now, so I'm not going to be too picky. But the better you make sure the number fits, the better it will stay on stick and not lift up. You don't want your nail to lift up, and you don't want it to get water in there, especially because your nail is going to turn yellow underneath the press on, and between your real nail it will turn yellow. Now you might have to take your time when you first start doing this because you're just not used to doing it. I really didn't need that much glue, and that's why it's sticking. Am I breathing hard, y'all? Because I feel like I'm rushing, but I do have somewhere to be. So boom, hold it down for like 30 seconds and you're good to move on. Now sometimes I will go do this hand and then do the other hand. Other times, whatever nail I pull, if it fit, I put it on and I keep it moving. This is a number 4. It seems to fit the middle and the ring finger pretty good. Here is a number 3. This seems to fit the middle finger a lot better. So I'm going to put this on my middle finger, do a drop, and then mix it about all over the nail. And boom. Push it down. I like to move my nail so it's not getting on the skin. Move the skin over a little bit. Y'all see how I'm pressing with this thumb? I'm pressing the skin down, and then with my index finger, I'm pressing down on the nail to secure it. And then I also come over here, move the skin over, press it down, just so the glue is getting all over the nail and sealing it. And then you just hold it down for about 30 seconds. Boom. There we go. The clock says 5:12. I'm moving a little slow, mainly because I'm talking to y'all. But literally, y'all, it's going to take me 10 minutes. And all I'm doing is putting a drop of the glue and rubbing it down around on the nail. I'm going to go ahead and fast forward this video as I do this. And if your hand gets stuck on the glue, just take the alcohol and rub it like that, and rub the top of the nail where the glue is. The alcohol is going to get that glue right on off. As y'all can see, the clock back there, it says 5:13. So I haven't fixed my hair yet, y'all. I need to get a move on it. I'm going to pause this and continue working on my nails. The part that takes the longest is just finding the size and putting it on there. That's the part that takes long. And then kind of remember which one you did, so it'll be quicker. So like I just pulled a number 1 and measured that for my thumb. Usually my other hand is going to be a number 1 as well. So when I finish this, I'm going to go ahead and look for a number 1 and put that on my hand. So I found a number 1. Peel that little tape off, a little sticky. Put your drop on here. I did a little too much glue on this now. It's alright. Just wipe off that extra glue. When you put too much, it's good to just hold it down a little bit more than you need. A little bit more time. Then it might get white on your skin when it dries. So get that alcohol and have it handy. I think we said the number 3 was for our middle finger. Yeah, I'll do that for the middle finger. And I think we use the number 4 for our ring finger. And the pinky is a 0. No, the pinky was 11, I think. No, I didn't use 11. I used a 10. So let me find a 10. Here go number 6. That fits good on the index. I'm using too much glue, y'all. I'm rushing. I'm pushing this thing, the glue down real hard to get out. You don't need this much glue. A little drop gets the job done. Yeah, I'm using way too much glue. See how it's white in the corner? It shouldn't be white like that. That's when you know you use too much. Okay, we are done. And y'all see the clock says 5:23. So I said 5:19, we needed to be done. Well, we didn't quite make it 5:19. We are 4 minutes over. But I can say like maybe that's because I'm talking to y'all. And then I've been accidentally putting a lot more glue than I needed. I've been making big drops and I only need little drops. And then when that happens, it leaves residue. Y'all see like this one, it has white residue. If you don't wipe it off quick with a alcohol pad, then it's hard to like get that white residue off, and you just have to keep trying to wipe it off your skin. That's when you put too much glue. And you don't need to do that. Don't take all of that. My real nail is actually longer than some of these, like my pinky. My real nail is sticking out under it. I didn't have time to cut my real nails down, which is what I like to do. But like I said, we in a rush. If you looking that hard, listen, if you looking that hard at my nails to say, ooh, why your real nails sticking out your price zones? Or you need to be giving me some money, so that I can go get my nails done at the salon. Because going to the salon, this right here is going to easily start at $100. Maybe $75, depending on your area and where you go. But this is going to be minimum $75. And that's without a tip. And that's like basic. That's not even if you get the gel polish. That's like regular polish. And you know, when you get regular polish, you're going to be sitting in that salon trying to dry for a long time. So you complaining about my nails, you looking that close, send me some money. Ladies, if your man saying anything about your hair, your clothes, your anything, if he got an issue with, I don't like how you wear your hair this way or that way, he need to be giving you some money to fix it how he like it, so you can go to the professionals and wherever else. And if he don't want to do that, get a new one. It's 2025. We're not about to be sitting around having somebody complain in our ear and they not solving no problems. You either gonna be a problem solver or you're gonna be out of my face. Say it with me. Problem solver or out of my face. Okay, so after you do that, these are your nice new nails. You're gonna then put some oil on them. This one still got a little bit of white residue, but we're gonna go get some oil. Let's go get some oil on them. Be right back. So I literally put some baby oil in my hand and I'm gonna rub my nails in it and then do some for the other hand. Rub my hands together and then I'm just gonna make sure I'm pressing down on my nails, making sure they're sealed in good. And boom. How y'all like these nails? New, fresh French manicure. Not too long, not too much polish or design. Simple, elegant, sophisticated, classic. Let me know What you think, Glam Crew? Would you do your own nails at home? Or are you going to the salon? I'll be trying to travel, so I'll be doing my nails at home. Make sure to like, share, comment, subscribe. Bye. And I forgot to add, as I'm here cleaning up these nails, because y'all know the little plastic sticky part that you peel off, you want to pick that up. As I'm cleaning up these nails, you're still going to have more nails in here to do another set. So you get 2 sets of nails for $8-9. And this little bottle of glue is like $2 or $3. Don't pay no more than $3 for this. And I've had this since like around my birthday, so December, and we are in April. Now I don't do my nails every 2 or 3 weeks, but I do them often, and I still have plenty in this bottle. And I have alcohol pads, so when I'm doing my nails I can easily clean all the white residue off. But if I'm taking my time and only putting a little drop and not rushing and mixing it around just fine, then yeah, you won't need to do all of that. Use a lot of alcohol pads. It won't be like no big mess, nothing extra that you really got to do to clean up. I'm literally cleaning this up as we are talking, picking up all of these. And I keep this because when I go to take it off, I'm going to use this to scrape off the nails, and I use this to buff any extra stuff off. And all cleaned up. Counter, everything is all clean. If you want to see more do-it-yourself videos on like how I do my wigs, how I do my nails, I even do my own little pedicures in between my actual going to the salon time. I would love to go like every week to every 2 weeks, but I like to travel a little bit more, and I'm on a budget, so me by myself trying to go get a pedicure or my nails done, it's out of my price range. So I've learned to do it at home myself, and I can enjoy the things that I like more in life. Booking flights, warm, beautiful destinations. But do what makes you happy. Most importantly, what I just said, do what makes you happy most importantly. Now, bye, Glam Crew.